So today's video, I wanted to do something special, kind of a challenge. And the challenge is, how do you entertain a 5-year-old while you're driving down the Pacific Coast Highway when it's pouring rain? Let's try. Now, kart surfing is great, but what if it's really raining? Like it's pouring down rain, like right now, which probably shouldn't have this camera out here, but you gotta keep them entertained. So let's entertain them.
What did you just do? Everything just shook so much I thought we fell off the truck.
So I accidentally forgot to tell Caitlin that I was taking the trailer off the blocks and getting it unshocked. She apparently was not ready for the earthquake.
None of us were. Chase basically almost fell out of the bed.
I just like almost fell.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. So you might be wondering what the trailer looks like when we're on the move or when we're standing like in a harvest house. Well, this is it. This is our entire living space. The what's probably the most frustrating is the dinette and the couch just is it's unusable. So very challenging to live in. That's why we're looking for a new one.
And one with a ball pit.
Chase's requirement for the next trailer is a ball pit. So if you have any of those needs, please comment below. Anyway, so kind of getting things organized, and we're gonna take off and do some provisioning and then go have some adventures.
Dragonland!
How's it going?
You guys have fun?
Yeah.
All right, so this is the load we got, huh?
And I went surfing.
Yeah, stocking up.
So this is what like provisioning looks like for us. We head to a Walmart and spend an ungodly amount, which isn't too much. I mean, I think Caitlin spent like a couple $100.
Yeah.
It should last us,
At least a week and a half.
yeah, a week and a half. Yeah, if we went out to dinner, we would spend this amount in
2 nights.
2 or 3 nights. Unless we're ordering off the dollar menu.
Does that exist anymore?
Yes!
This includes a lot of fresh fruit and veggies and meat, so.
On a Tuesday afternoon, I can hear Wednesday calling, but then Thursday comes too soon. And by Friday, I'm ready for a Saturday affair. 'Cause on Sunday, I'll be happy. The afternoon is here.
What are we gonna see?
Lighthouse.
Then Thursday comes too soon. And by Friday, I'm ready for a Saturday.
So one of Caitlin's wild adventures. We gotta make sure it's low tide to be able to walk across. We'll see if we can make it.
I was mistaken.
Just let the afternoon keep us here for a moment. It still has time. In this moment, you will be mine.
So yeah, this is incredible.
So if we were able to access the lighthouse, this is
much, and I think it was good. Like and subscribe.
Should we go? Probably not.
We should go. We should go. We should go.
All right, let's go. It's when there's two signs that say you're gonna die if you keep walking, I think that's a good indication that you just probably should stop walking. The waves are ginormous.
I guess I don't want to
Far
risk
enough?
somebody else's life. It's not just us to think about.
Yeah, like the rescuers. Yeah. It's a cool view though.
Gorgeous.
We're getting dangerous! Come on! There's a big wave! Come on, you ready? One! There's a big one! Ah! Alright, you ready? We gotta run! Run! Run!
Double.
Ow!
What? Scared.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed this week's video. It's one of those things that it's always kind of a struggle, especially when the weather's not great, the adventures are a little gloomy, and there's trailer work to be done. And it's something that if you're hesitant about taking on this adventure, traveling the world, or maybe seeing the world, you know, via an RV, you can have fun, even if it's a little gloomy out, even if it's raining. You just got to be a little creative, and hopefully this video helped you out and kind of give you some inspiration to go chase down your dreams. And sometimes those dreams are a little wet, but you can still have a lot of fun. And at 5 years old, man, they don't care what weather it is. They just want to go out and experience things, have adventures. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. It's one of those things that we spend a lot of time putting together these videos, coming up with these concepts and creativity to entertain our son, but also entertain you. So consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next video. Stay adventurous.